Today I have uh, before I said I have finished two subjects, two modules. No, I have I have finished. In the two modules, climate change is very easy because it's like look like completely look like uh, past paper, but signals and system. It is ma'am said to me, if you refer my notes. It is very easy, but I couldn't refer Miss Madam's full notes because I have rushed with other modules also. That's the thing I can't finish because that's the thing. Today's signal system is very hard for me. Not very hard. Little bit okay, but I didn't score well. I think I didn't score well.